Welcome to the Era for Rolemaster Character Sheet Skills tutorial. In this video, we will show all the features available to add, edit, and customize the skills of your character. Once we access the Character Sheet module and load our character, we will go to the Skills section. At the top left, there are buttons to filter the skills shown. The buttons available will vary depending on whether we are currently leveling up or not. The favorite filter will only show skills that have been marked as favorite. Initially, this will be the base list of spell casting professions, some critical skills like body development and perception, and any skills that have special adjustments due to your race or profession. For example, professional skills in Rolemaster Unified. More on favorite skills will be shown later. The positive filter will only show skills that have a total bonus of 0 or more. The developed filter will only show skills that have at least one rank. Skills are shown grouped in categories. If all skills in the category use the same stats, they will be listed here, and the stat column will indicate the current value. If your rule set allows developing categories as well as skills, you will see the cost, number of ranks, and rank bonus for the category. The profession bonus for the category comes next, which, depending on the rule set, can be 0, fixed at level up, or increased at each level. When looking at the skills in the category, all columns behave the same way, with the additional category column which adds the value of the total category bonus for the skill. The special column will have a tooltip explaining whether the value is only a special bonus, determined manually by the user or some previous choice like race or profession, or if there is a system bonus component like the moving maneuver adjustment from the armor skill. We can edit the categories by clicking on the pen icon that appears on the left when the mouse passes over the category row. While editing, we can change the item and special bonus, and also the number of ranks if the rule set allows it. To confirm our changes, we can click on the quill icon to the right of the category name or simply press Enter. If we want to cancel the changes made, we click on the cross icon that appears to the left of the category name. While editing a category, we can also add a new skill to it by clicking on the plus icon. Here we indicate only the name of the new skill, and all other details will be configured by editing afterwards. We can edit skills in a similar way to categories. First, we click on the pen icon to the left, where we get to edit the number of ranks, item bonus, and special bonus. We can also confirm our changes by pressing Enter or clicking on the quill icon. To remove a skill, use the trash icon. This would mostly be used if you created a skill by mistake. To remove skills in the default list for all new characters, you should ask your Game Master to review the skill set provided in the application. You will see a star icon to the right of the skill name. This star will be active for skills marked as favorite. When editing, you can click on it to remove it from favorites, in which case it will be grayed out. You can click on a grayed out star to add a skill to favorites. The cog icon will open a dialog that allows a more advanced customization of the skill. Here you can change information such as the name and cost of the skill. All skills start by default with their expected classification: movement or static maneuver, offensive bonus, etc. In case you need to change it, the skill classification is shown. The classification has different effects in the application. For example, moving maneuvers are penalized by armor. Spellcasting skills are considered in the adventuring module to provide the spells known to the character. An offensive bonus will be considered for attacks in the adventuring module. It will also offer more customization in the character sheet module. More on that later. The ranks gained per purchase are used in the Rolemaster Fantasy rule set to configure everyman occupational and restricted skills. The race and profession selected during character creation will determine the initial value for each skill. The rank binding is used to determine that instead of developing the skill, its number of ranks will be defined by another skill. We will shortly see how this can be useful in certain situations. In case you want to change the stats affecting a skill, you can indicate them here, up to 3 stats for each skill. This is in addition to the ones indicated by the category. In the special case of an offensive bonus, you will also have the opportunity to edit the attack table, critical, fumble range, maximum result, and size adjustment if applicable to your rule set. Remember that all combat skills defined during character creation will be already configured with this information. The icon with the down arrow is for creating specializations. You will be asked for a name and the new skill will be created. By default, a specialization has the same category and stats as the original skill, but tracks the number of ranks developed independently. To have a skill match the same number of ranks as another one, we need to bind them. This is done by default for races that provide a bonus in specific situations. Note that bound skills don't display a skill cost and can't have their number of ranks changed. They will always have the same number of ranks as the base skill. Some skills allow using their total bonus as an offensive bonus in a particular attack table. The Derive Attack feature allows just that. Let's suppose that the Game Master has allowed the writing bonus to be used to attack with a pen, resolved on the Bite table with Steam criticals and a maximum of 90. Don't forget to save your character after making any changes you want to keep. That is all for the character sheet skills tutorial. Look for more tutorials on specific features of ERA in this channel. Thanks for watching.